Welcome to Amyart.app. In this tutorial, let me show you how to manage, edit and delete the default values in Amy. We'll start from the artwork overview and see what we mean with default values. Let's go to a detail view of this artwork. An example of a default value would be the Other option for Artist. Here you can customize a collaboration type. There are already 3 options I've made: camera, sound and printer. Let's make a 4th type by typing director and hit enter to save. Now this other value is in your default list here. We can check by adding a new other line and see it's available from the drop-down. Another example is the other edition type. Let's make a new one here as well and name it test. Throughout Amy, a lot of default values are available from drop-down lists. Material, other prices, currency, tags, etc. Now these values you've added can be edited. Let's see how this is done. Let's go to Account and select the Default Values tab on the right. Here you have an overview of all the default values such as other artists, currencies, materials, tags you've created so far. So with other artists I've just added director, which was spelled wrong. Now if you edit this here, everywhere you've used this value will be affected. This is important. Making changes here is making changes everywhere this value is used throughout Amy. So let's get rid of the double R and hit refresh. Amy shows a message of the change you've made here on top. Now let's look at that artwork again. You can see here the change has been implemented. Let's go back to the default values. The same goes for that test value I made. Let's change it and see what happens. Don't forget to refresh. Let's go back to that artwork again and we can see it has changed here. If we go back one more time and see what happens when we delete a value. Let's click the trash can and now the value is deleted. Let's go to that artwork again and we can see the value is gone. So, in the default values you can edit and delete all the values you've entered into Amy. Just beware, these are values available from drop-downs. Changing values here can affect multiple artworks, contacts and actions throughout Amy. Thank you for watching this tutorial and we hope you enjoy using Amyart.app.